Hello guys, our repair course today is going to be about iPhone 7 iTunes error 4013. First, run cosmetic inspection of the logic board. The logic board is not deformed or water damaged. Next, let's get the logic board and display assembly installed. Connect the battery and hold the power button. The phone gets stuck with iTunes recovery mode and has no access to the system. Connect it with computer and restore via iTunes. Error 4013 appears during the restoring process. iTunes error 4013 of iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus is usually caused by pseudo-soldering or damage of CPU. The problem might also be related to power supply of baseband PMU or NAND flash. Also, when restoring iPhone iOS 12.1, the baseband data verification process will be skipped. So we can confirm that the fault has nothing to do with the baseband PMU. Since CPU repair is quite difficult to start with, we can check power supply of the NAND flash chip. Connect the battery connector with the power supplier and press power button on the power supplier. The system will then detect power button press. Run voltage measurement of test points of the NAND flash chip power supply, C1719, C1704 and R1703. Judging by the measured value, power supply of the NAND flash is normal. Next, we need to further check the NAND flash chip. Heat up the NAND flash chip with hot air gun at 260 degrees, airflow 2. Scrape back and forth to remove black adhesive around. Once done, we can move to chip detaching process. Set the temperature of the hot air gun at 330 degrees, airflow 3. Heat the chip evenly for 1 minute. Choose the blank area around the chip. Insert the knife between the chip and the bonding pad. And pry up the chip carefully with proper force. Heat the bonding pad with hot air gun at 330 degrees, airflow 3. Remove black adhesive on the bonding pad and around. Clean with PCB cleaner afterwards. Then, clean the bonding pad with soldering iron at 360 degrees. Clean again with rosin-soaked solder wick. Clean the bonding pad thoroughly with PCB cleaner. Now we need to clean the NAND flash chip. Apply low temp solder paste with soldering iron at 360 degrees to clean the chip. Clean again with rosin-soaked solder wick. Clean with PCB cleaner afterwards. Next, let's connect the NAND flash chip programmer with computer. Press the power switch on the programmer. Attach the NAND flash chip to the programmer. The NAND flash chip can only be recognized by the programmer intermittently. Judging by this, the NAND flash chip might be damaged. Let's replace with a new NAND flash chip and see how it works. Please be noted that we need to back up data of the chip before replacing. Once done, separate the chip from the programmer and get a new NAND flash chip installed to the programmer. Write the backup data to the new chip. Next, we need to reball the NAND flash chip. Get the BGA reballing stencil well aligned with the chip. Smear solder paste evenly on the BGA reballing stencil with BGA scraper. Then heat evenly with hot air gun at 300 degrees, airflow too, so that all solder balls can solidify completely. Once done, separate the chip from the BGA reballing stencil. Now we can solder the NAND flash chip. Apply some BGA paste flex to the bonding pad. Get the NAND flash chip in position. Solder with hot air gun at 370 degrees, airflow 3. Once done, wait for the logic board to cool for 5 minutes. Clean with PCB cleaner afterwards. Now we can assemble the phone and test. Get the logic board and display assembly installed. Connect the battery. Connect the phone with computer. And then hold the power button. Restore the phone via iTunes. The phone can be restored normally. Once completed, the phone restarts automatically. Fault cleared. Warmed ups, get the phone full assembled after confirmation of fault clearance. iPhone 7 error 4013 fixed perfectly. And this is our iPhone 7 error 4013 repair course today. Feel free to visit our official website www.driwatechnology.com. See you next course.